Alright, welcome back to Maro's Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I've brought you the Airtel trick, Airtel Uganda. If you're in Uganda right now, today is, hope you are seeing the date. Today is Friday 20th February 2026. If you're in Uganda, when you are not connected and you have an Airtel SIM card, just get a pen, get a pencil, get a book. I'm going to educate you. Help me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me and like this video. So I set up today's tutorial. Let me first show you something here. I'm going to press the 131 hash. It is Airtel Uganda. My SIM card is 2. Then my account balance is 2. I don't need the 100 for MTN as it was. I don't need that. I just need my SIM card with 0 data bundle. Let me try to check. I have no data bundle. Now let us start out. This is what you're going to do. Let me first prove that this bundle works. Let us go to Google Chrome. By the way, let us first go to YouTube and I show you what you must be doing. Let me show you that this stuff works. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. This is not AI. This is not AI, please. And remember, this tutorial is purposely for education and information purposes only. We are not Maro's Tech. We are not answerable for any form of harm caused out of this tutorial. So let me show you. You're going to come Maro's Tech, you search, then subscribe. Press the subscribe button like that, and then enable the notification all. Then wait for a few moments. Then hope you have seen that this one is working. Let me show you. So get your pen and a pencil. You don't need any VPN. You don't need any VPN. You don't need any VPN. I didn't want to make this video because the MTN trick was blocked because of our video we made last time, but I saw many of the comments in my YouTube channel, in the YouTube studio. Many of the comments were from Uganda that they are not connected. I felt I didn't feel so good. Now just get a pen, and this is what you are going to do. You come to the channel you have subscribed to. Maro's Tech. Let me show you. Then we are going to come right here. Those are the numbers up, but the first number is on WhatsApp. It is the one you are going to contact me on WhatsApp. The second one, you are going to just call me or text me in text messages. I'm going to be connecting you for free at only 10k, and there is no bargaining. I sign out. Airtel Uganda users only 10k. I don't want to expose this trick because it may also get blocked.